Ever seen pets act like they're auditioning for a comedy show? Here are the funniest pet moments, ranked from silly to absolutely iconic. 4. Bombastic side-eye. The cat smelled his owner's feet and gave the most judgmental look ever. 3. Kung Fu. Cat. Out here throwing paws like he's in a Bruce Lee movie. Zero fear, full technique. 2. Terrified cat. One small noise and he teleported to another dimension. Olympic-level jump scare reaction. 1. Riz cat. The stare, the pose, the silent confidence. Bro didn't meow. He flirted.